Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL device.
So let's do the quick unboxing of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL device. So I'm really excited to see friends how will be the overall experience of the Pixel 9 Pro XL gonna be there, because previously I did not use the Pixel 8 series and I did use the Pixel 7. So that's kind of another thing to note it. So this is a quick look at the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So apart from the phone, you do get the Type-C to Type-C cable in the box, and there's some warranty information I think in this box here, and pretty neat box as well. Recyclable waste, I think, is complete cardboard normal package only, which looks pretty simple, and it is a Pixel 9 Pro XL. So let me do show you the device. So this is how the device looks like. So the device and the build quality is pretty good overall. And one thing I did notice, as I said, the fingerprints are a lot of getting attracted on the sides. So I can definitely notice right away after using for just first time itself. So I'm going to do a lot of videos on this Pixel 9 Pro XL regarding the display, camera and the battery life as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested on the Pixel Pro 9 XL device. Let me do quickly set up the process and show the initial impressions about this device meanwhile.
Right now I'm trying to do the initial setup process in the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL device, and let me try to speed up the setup installation completely in this 9 Pro XL. So pretty basic steps. So finally the device is completely set up, and you can see the design and the build quality of the latest 9 Pro XL device, so which is pretty good. And overall the weight of the device is also not that heavy, considering the battery capacity of 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 6.98 inches display, and 220 grams is pretty good for this device. And you can see the side slightly kind of fingerprint attraction will be there, so for the side bezels, that's something which I did notice. And edge to edge display is also really amazing in this 9 Pro XL, so which is also another factor which I did like. So all the four corners are equally distributed. The border bezels, the border bezels, you can clearly see, guys. That's something which I did like in this latest released. And stay tuned for more in-depth comparison videos using this device with other devices, so stay tuned for those videos as well. And outdoor visibility also really very good in this device. Even the display looks also pretty stunning. You can see the color saturation levels and overall contrast levels in this Pixel device, so which is also top notch in this device, and with 120 Hz refresh rate, so which is pretty smooth. And overall friends, I did like the display in this 9 Pro XL device. So finally it feels pretty premium to use this device in hands. That's something which I did like. And here's a quick initial unboxing and initial impressions about this device, and stay tuned for more complete review on this 9 Pro XL, so where I'll try to compare with other devices as well, so stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, bye.